Hey everybody, just want to let you know before we start, this is a 360-degree video. So that means you can move your phone around, or you can use your mouse to move around if you're on a desktop, but you can look in all directions.
Volcano Bay, and we hope to see you again soon.
This is one of the final days before it closes. I don't know if you can hear my voice from down here, but I always hope that the people talking in Spanish aren't cursing, because I wouldn't know. So, when you get a 360 camera, at least the GoPro Max, it is not by default in 360 mode. That's fun. Hopefully you can't see my piece together stick I put, but hey, it works. Just bought the camera today. I wish my upper body strength wasn't so pathetic. I can't hold this up very long. You gotta switch hands all the time. I was just holding my gimbal for over a half hour, so that doesn't help. So, come over here for a second. I wonder if I can premiere a 360-degree video. Probably. I haven't tried that. I know it's possible to go live with it, but not today. Oh, that's right, there used to be a tiki head up there. Huh. I was trying to remember last time what was missing. could take one path and go around the second time as a different path. There's pretty much one big circle, but there's several options, and I can only pick one at a time. Right now, we're gonna go that way.
I kept walking around Volcano Bay longer than this. I did at least one more lap around, but like every GoPro camera I've ever owned, it failed and it stopped recording, and I didn't know that until I got home and looked at the video. So that's great. And of course, Volcano Bay is now closed until next year, so I can't just go back. So hopefully you enjoyed what you got to see, and I will, if I decide to keep this camera, I'm going to go back to Volcano Bay when it reopens. So thanks for watching what you could of this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. And there's no end screen because they don't work with 360 videos.